Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And especially leave your comments on this one. I want to know what you're thinking about after you hear this video. Y'all, what in the hell is up with Crazy Nancy? I believe it's her one mission in life to stop anything that would help the American people. This lady is pure evil. I almost called her what she is. I'm not going to stoop to that level. Yesterday, President Trump approved the new updated stimulus package, which was exactly what she wanted. And it looked like everyone was on board with it. Everyone. Well, now Crazy Nancy has rejected it once again. Her big problem this time, there is other smaller monetarily problems, but her biggest problem is the language of the bill. But she did say that her and Steve Mnuchin will be in Washington trying to work this out over the weekend. Let's just hope they do, but if Nancy Pelosi is involved, it will not be for the good of the American people. Y'all, I have a question. And I want y'all to answer it if you can. If the President of the United States does not have the power to do certain things to help the American people, how in the hell can one evil lady have so much power to hurt the American people? It don't make sense to me. We voted for the president. We did not vote for her. Yeah, her state voted for her, but not the whole American people. Y'all, I really believe that this is not about helping or not helping the American people. It's all to do with her hate for President Trump. And whether you like him or hate him, he is the president right now. Don't know for how much longer, but for right now, he is the president. And with that office comes the respect. Y'all, this evil, God, I want to call her what she is. This evil person has got to be removed from office. They all have to go. Will we get a stimulus package? I hope so. But as long as Nancy Pelosi has got anything to do with it, you can't be sure. I am so ticked off right now. I wish I could have 5 minutes with this person. Y'all, I love you all. Please check out my links below. Until the next time, ciao.